Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Supreme. ProTeam Supreme is an enhancer that reduces eye and skin irritation, controls algae, and improves filtration. This product helps maintain stable pH and buffers total alkalinity. Sanitizers work most efficiently when pH is kept in proper range. Therefore, a properly balanced pool will require less sanitizer and less maintenance. Supreme is compatible with all forms of sanitization. Best of all, Supreme is made right here in the USA for the highest possible quality, allowing you to buy with confidence. Product benefits: improves sanitizer efficiency 35 to 50%, reduces eye and skin irritation in pool water. Water will feel softer regardless of your water hardness levels. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.